在保持原有状况的同时，实际上也做了很多的文物修缮的工作，而这些文物修缮的工作也应该说是在专家团队层面的指导下进行的，非常好的保护好这个景脉上原有的这个遗产景观。
The big risks are not visible, so they are very slow, with a cumulative effect, and little by little they can degrade, and the day we understand that something is wrong, sometimes can be too late. So we need to be very attentive to these slow and cumulative effects, and we need to understand very well what are the real vulnerability. It was exactly one of the recommendations we did, it was to organize international conference to discuss all these matters that are very important for all of us. So I'm very happy that this conference was organized.